What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Sora Trades channel. NVDA continues to punish the bears with its relentless push higher, despite having the highest short interest of any other stock on Wall Street. The S&P 500 is set for a significant rebalance near the end of June 2024. This rebalancing process will involve purchasing approximately $11 billion in Nvidia NVDA shares, while divesting around $12 billion in Apple AAPL stock. This shift is a part of the regular quarterly rebalancing that ensures the index maintains accurate representation of the market and sector weightings. Let's take a look at the chart and see what's really going on. Nvidia closed at 135.88 on Tuesday, marking a 16% increase on the stock price from its lows just 1 week ago. As long as the price remains above 129.52, there is little justification for holding put options on Nvidia, except for hedging purposes. A potential test of the 126.26 level, which represents the most recent breakout support, could attract buyers. Near-term upside targets include 138.20, 140.90, and 143.58 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, provided the price sustains above the 129.52 threshold. To put it another way, on the first retest of 129.52, I'm a buyer of the 132 call options on the first test. The S&P 500's rebalancing process near the end of June 2024, which involves purchasing approximately $11 billion in Nvidia NVDA shares, could have a significant impact on NVDA's stock price and the behavior of short sellers index funds and ETFs. Funds that track the S&P 500 will need to adjust their portfolios to reflect the new weightings. This anticipatory buying can start even before the official rebalance date, as fund managers seek to align their holdings with the index changes. Usually, short sellers use margin accounts to borrow shares. If NVDA's stock price rises too much, the value of their collateral falls, potentially triggering margin calls from brokers. This means they need to add more funds to their accounts or buy back the borrowed shares. If short sellers cannot meet the margin calls in a timely manner, brokers will force the liquidation of their positions by buying back the shares at the current market price, further driving the stock price up. The decision to increase holdings in Nvidia and decrease in Apple is driven by various factors, including the performance, market capitalization, and growth prospects of these companies. Nvidia has shown substantial growth, particularly in the AI and semiconductor sectors, making it a valuable addition to the index's weighting. On the other hand, Apple, despite its strong performance, may be slightly repriced to balance the overall sector composition within the index. This rebalancing could impact the stock prices of both companies. Increased demand for Nvidia shares as index funds adjust their holdings could drive the stock price higher. Conversely, the divestment in Apple shares might put some short-term selling pressure on its stock. The S&P 500 rebalance involving significant purchases of Nvidia shares is likely to create upward pressure on the stock price, potentially triggering margin calls and forced covering among short sellers. This can lead to a short squeeze, amplifying the price increase in the short term. Investors should be prepared for increased volatility. Nvidia and Dell Technologies have recently expanded their collaboration to accelerate the adoption of AI technologies through the Dell AI Factory. This partnership aims to provide enterprises with a comprehensive end-to-end AI solution that integrates Dell's infrastructure with Nvidia's advanced AI hardware and software. Elon Musk's large language model startup company xAI plans to build a massive GPU data center in Memphis, Tennessee, and will be the largest multi-billion-dollar investment in the city of Memphis's history, and involves integrating components from both Dell, NVDA, and Tesla to create an advanced AI infrastructure. This infrastructure is intended to support generative AI applications like Elon Musk's xAI's Grok. Musk has been acquiring hundreds of thousands of GPUs to train future models and plans for the supercomputer to open by the fall of 2025. Musk has stated that xAI will deploy a 100,000 H100 liquid-cooled training clusters within the next few months, and another 300,000 GPU B200 clusters powered by the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell architecture by next summer. Each B200 costs between $30,000 to $40,000. If you'd like a real-time notification when we buy or sell NVIDIA options, I'll drop a link to Patreon in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's make some money tomorrow. Until we meet again.